Hello everyone, welcome back to the artsy studio. Come in, come closer, closer, not close enough, too close now. Your girl's a little tired, a little bit burnt out, but I am working on alert sounds or sounds for the stream. Somebody suggested just a baby. If you're watching the streams, then you know what I'm talking about. But I'm trying to come up with my own custom sound for she's just a baby. Unfortunately, I have no speakers for my PC currently, but I will play it for you once I'm done. I just be kind of like, this is what I'm doing. You know, these are the studio vlogs, and this is what I'm working on in the studio. I do have to finish the cauldron back there. We have like the tiniest little bit left, and I also need to glue some tags on the back of rugs and take pictures of them. But this is what I feel like doing right now. So once we have at least one, I've made a deal with myself that once I have one sound, one alert thing done, then I will move on to the other things. I don't know why I'm nervous. Okay, here we go. She's just a baby. Here it is. She's just a baby. A baby. Just a baby.
Just a baby.
A baby.
Just a baby.
A baby. She's just a baby. I think it's funny. And it's you know, it's alright. Just trying to figure out how to add it now. But we made a deal. So what do we do first? Should we finish the tufting part first? Probably. Yo, look at all the progress we made yesterday. We basically nearly filled it, which is wild because we were chatting for a while. But yeah, we're gonna finish it. I can't believe how quickly we got through this rug. I think I forgot to introduce y'all, well, the YouTube channel, to Miss Pyle. Everyone say hello to Miss Pyle. That's P-Y-L-E. Just in case you haven't seen her, here's Miss Pyle. This is our tufting machine. Her name is Miss Pyle, and I love it. So we've got Buzz for the carver, and now Miss Pyle, which is a genius name. Anyway, we finished the cauldron. Look how beautiful this rug is. I'm in love with it. I feel like we just got this frame up, like last week. I'm so excited to start on the ice cream cone. I think it's gonna be so freaking cute. Hello and good morning from your favorite internet scarecrow. I just feel like I don't know, I'm looking quite dry, possibly filled with hay, meant to scare off birds. Anyway, yesterday on stream, we did that. I know it doesn't look like a lot of work. We were chatting a lot. Anyway, look how cute that looks. It's so, the colors are so freaking cute. I don't know, they're so happy, and like, I feel like we really picked the perfect, I don't know, tones that went with each other. They're all like neon, sprinkly color. I love it. But what I wanted to do with you guys is do the other keyboard rug, which is down here. Rolled all the yarn for it. So we are ready to get started. And I saw that Some of y'all were pretty happy about seeing the other side of the frame last time, so I thought we could do a little bit of that again. I may have you, like, you know, my usual. We're going to do a bunch of different random stuff, and now I'm blabbing. I always forget to turn it on. And it's done. It looks pretty adorable. I'm pretty happy with it. It was kind of hard to tuft around the spiderweb part, but I think it came out pretty cute, and I'm excited to see it as a keyboard rug. Oh my god, cute. Also, sorry if you can't, I'm going to obviously try to edit the audio so that you can't hear it very well, but sorry if you can hear my air conditioner. It's hot. It's very toasty in this room. Anyway, I think I'm going to end this video here. Next week, I have my mom visiting, and we have a wedding and stuff, so she's also going to be sleeping in the studio. So I don't think I'll be able to film anything or like make videos in here next week. There's a possibility that I might stream on Monday. I haven't decided yet, but I am kind of considering next week to be kind of a break week for me. I am feeling a bit burnt out, so I think it's good timing. I think I should know. I'll have a decision by tomorrow's stream. Also, regarding the rug drop, I'm gonna make it happen for this Sunday, which is the 26th. The 26th, Sunday, 3 p.m. Eastern. So you will have to check what time that is for you, if you are interested in either one of these rugs. Also, there are still some beanies left if you're interested. I'll put the link down to my website. A gray, pink, and red left. Anyway, I love y'all. The absolute death. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.